Okay, so this will be a quick walkthrough of doing a exhaust system on a Toyota Tundra first gen. Okay, so this is the old exhaust muffler system, exhaust system that took off the old truck because there's some cracks and some leaks. So what I did was that I kind of just went to the junkyard and I got a used one that is still good for like 40-50 bucks around there, and I'm gonna put that on the truck. So I kind of just cut off some of these parts to save it. Okay, all the way to the exhaust over here, the whole muffler exhaust system. So that's the old one. I'm going to show you how I put the new one in. All right, so this is underneath the truck. I'm just going to kind of walk you guys through of what I did. Pretty much under here there are some welded metal piece hanger with these rubber rings that you can slip on and off, and pretty much you take the old one off and put them back in place with the new part that I got from the junkyard for that. This is gonna show you guys what I did. So this is the old part from the old one. You could either take the whole part off with these three bolts and put the new one in. Same on both sides, 3 bolts, and it's connected all the way to the exhaust pipe here, all the way back to the cat over here. But this is kind of what I did. I kind of used the old one connecting to the new one that I got, because the old one it was cut off already, so it didn't have this piece. It didn't have this piece connecting to up here. So I kind of just used the old one. I cut it from here right after the O2 sensors. I cut it from there, and then I bought some exhaust connecting pipe to fit from the old one to the new one here, and it is using some sealant with some fasteners exhaust here to keep it intact, so there won't be any air leak. And then of course there's the wire hanger, metal hanger to this ring outlet, all the way to here. This is like the new one that I got. Okay, and just connect. This is connecting to here on this side. Kind of pretty much what I did on the same side is connecting it from this part right here. Okay, I didn't take this out. It has three bolts again, like on the same side. I just use it and cut it from here, connecting these two with this metal connector with fasteners, and apply some sealant to prevent it from leaking. And then connecting this new piece, this whole new piece, all the way from the cat all the way towards the ends over there. So it's a cheap fix, not costing a lot of money where you take it to the shop to do it. And this would do for a few years or so. The new used part is still good, and there's no cracks or leak the muffler or so. So I hope this will kind of help. Pretty much simple. You have to be kind of handy and creative with putting it back. Otherwise, if you can buy a new one, or if you're able to find like a used one with the whole connecting part without this, like the whole part, pretty much you just have to unscrew these 3 bolts, put the new one in, about these 3 bolts, and put the new one in with these 2 exhausts, this one and this one on the side, going all the way to the header, to the head header, and then all the way to the back. That's it. A quick walkthrough.